Has anyone ever called you and said they was at your door but nobody answered, and they went back to their car and went on their merry way? And that's when I found out my doorbell was broken. But was that really the reason?
Makes me wonder, did you really want to visit me? Damn it, I know you got a cell phone. You could have called. Well, anywho. Okay, all you need are pliers right here and the needle nose that I use to curve the wires, and the Phillips head.
This is going to be a fast fix for your broken doorbell. It's going to be pretty fast, so pay attention. Let's get to it. Everything's stable, nothing's loose. All right, first things first, and that is safety. I'm going to reach in here and I'm going to turn off the main switch, which turns off the whole house. Okay, now everything's safe. I can get this job done.
And as you can see, I decided to go with the bronze doorbell. And I decided to go with the lighted button, so it'll light up in the evening hours. And that's the number of the bell. And it's basically self-explanatory, and it's only 2 wires. So let's get started.
Now, when we turn these doorbells over, you can see the holes are the same distance from the top to the bottom, or very close. I'm sure there's a more professional way to get this done, but I measured from hole to hole on my old doorbell, so I won't have to make any new holes. I unscrewed some of the screws to shorten this video. Phillips head screwdriver. Once they get so loose, you can take them out basically with your hands. Well, there's always one that gives you a problem. Now we can see the white and green wire. We have to unscrew these screws. Okay, I've got the white one off. Now I'm going to work on this green one. Almost there. Alright, last screw. Let's go. Doorbell's off. Now, as you can see, this new one has 2 screws also. I'm going to make sure there's enough room underneath that screw. And if it appears too tight, just unscrew it a little. Take notice to these wires that are pre-curled, just to make it easier to fit around that screw. Okay, we're going to work on this white wire first. Okay, it's around. And then I want to screw that screw on tighter to keep this wire in place. Okay, now we're going to work on this green wire, fit it around the screw. Also, with this particular doorbell, it doesn't matter which screw you put the white or the green wire on. They are basically interchangeable. Alright, let's make this a little tighter, and I think we'll be just about done. Alright. Okay, now we're going to push these wires back into this little slot that's in the wall. Match that screw up to the hole. It should go in fairly easily. You don't want to tighten it too much, but just enough to hold it. And then let's get the second one started. Then we can go back and really tighten to make it secure against that wall. At this point, I'm testing just to see if I get any wiggle in it, and then I'll know whether I need longer screws or need to tighten some more. All right, we're back in the basement, and I'm going to turn this main switch back on. Okay, this is a good sign. We have light. Now let's see how it sounds. Well, y'all, guess what? I don't like this doorbell. I don't like the way this bronze looks up against this black door. So I'm gonna have to change it. No, I'm not crazy. Thank God this is not a long, drawn out job. I would be totally pissed. I'm just going to make this video go faster. I'm not going to bore you with these steps again, but just to show you how fast this can be done. Let me get it off of here. Unloosen these screws so the wire can go underneath. Get these wires around these screws. Get these 2 screws in these holes. Now to me, that looks much better. Let me know in the comment section. Meanwhile, does anybody need a bronze doorbell? Hit me up. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget the bell so that you can be notified the next time I do a fix-it job. Thanks for joining us, Hammer and Nails with Bitsy. See you next time. Things that make you say,